Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up a VPN connection on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your settings icon. Should be a little gear icon. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath settings, you want to select network and internet. And then go down and select the VPN button. At this point, go ahead and select the plus icon on the top right. And then you go ahead and enter in the name, security type, server address, and everything else that's applicable in here. And then you would select save to go ahead and connect to it. You may also want to check mark versus always on VPN if you always want to default to the VPN network. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.